Welcome back to Road Test Masters. Are you road test ready? At a four-way stop, if two vehicles arrive at the same time, how is the right-of-way determined? The vehicle on the left has the right-of-way. The vehicle on the right has the right-of-way. The faster vehicle has the right-of-way. The vehicle going straight ahead has the right-of-way. The vehicle on the right has the right-of-way. What is the most effective safety device in a vehicle to prevent serious injuries in a crash? The horn, the seat belts, the airbags, the windshield. The seat belts. What should you do if you approach a school bus that is stopped with its red lights flashing on the opposite side of a divided highway? You must stop until the bus starts moving or the lights stop flashing. Proceed with caution since the bus is on the opposite side. Honk to alert the bus driver. You do not need to stop if the highway is divided by a physical barrier. You do not need to stop if the highway is divided by a physical barrier. How often should you check your mirrors while driving? Every 15 minutes, every 5 seconds, only before changing lanes. Every time you feel like it. Every 5 seconds. What is hydroplaning and how can you avoid it? It's when your tires lose traction on water-covered roads, slow down to avoid it. It's when you drive too fast in the rain, use cruise control to prevent it. It's a type of aggressive driving. Avoiding tailgating can prevent it. It's when your tires wear out. Replacing tires regularly can prevent it. It's when your tires lose traction on water-covered roads, slow down to avoid it. What is the legal limit for tinting the driver's side window in most states? 25%, 35%, 50%. No tint is allowed. 35%. What does it mean when a pedestrian is at a crosswalk with a flashing red hand signal? They should not cross until the signal turns green. They can hurry and cross before it stops flashing. Wait until the hand stops flashing before crossing. Cross with caution, looking both ways. Wait until the hand stops flashing before crossing. What is the first step you should take if you are involved in a traffic accident? Leave the scene to avoid congestion. Check for injuries and call emergency services if necessary. Exchange insurance information with the other driver. Take photos of the accident scene for insurance claims. Check for injuries and call emergency services if necessary. Why is it dangerous to drive alongside another vehicle on a multi-lane road? It allows you to pass more easily. It creates a blind spot for both drivers. It creates a blind spot for one driver. It's known as lane splitting and is illegal. It creates a blind spot for both drivers. Before watching, please like and subscribe. What is the proper way to use a roundabout? Yield to all traffic before entering, then proceed to your exit without stopping. Enter at high speed to keep traffic flowing. Always stop before entering, then proceed when safe. Stop in the roundabout to let others enter. Yield to all traffic before entering, then proceed to your exit without stopping. What should you do if your vehicle begins to skid on ice? Brake hard and steer in the opposite direction of the skid. Accelerate to gain traction. Steer in the direction of the skid and gently apply the brakes. Turn off the engine. Steer in the direction of the skid and gently apply the brakes. What does a diamond-shaped road sign indicate? A scenic area ahead. Warning of possible hazards on roadways. A rest area is close by. The route is for trucks only. Warning of possible hazards on roadways. What is the correct behavior at a yellow blinking traffic light? Proceed with caution, stopping if necessary. Stop completely before proceeding. Yield to oncoming traffic and pedestrians. Ignore it and maintain your current speed. Yield to oncoming traffic and pedestrians. What are the consequences of refusing a breathalyzer test when suspected of DUI? A warning and a fine, mandatory jail time, suspension of your driver's license, no significant consequences. Suspension of your driver's license. What action should you take when you see a merge sign while driving on the highway? Increase your speed and force your way into the traffic. Slow down and wait for an opening. Merge immediately using turn signals. Continue at your current speed until vehicles adjust to you. Merge immediately using turn signals.